At this camp, we program all sorts of games. I created 3 games. In the first game, I have a little character who runs, jumps, and turns around. In the second game, I have a ball that rolls, collects coins, and faces different obstacles. And in the third game, I made a battle game. There are 2 people and they fight each other.
My friends and I write games in C# using the Unity 3D engine. With it, you can create 3D models and write code that's not too complicated.
In the summer camp, we have our own schedule. Most of the time, we spend programming games, but even so, we also go to lunch, breakfast, and afternoon snack. We also have free time, which takes up the last hour, and we have time for sports. During sports, we play different games either outside or in the gym. Soon, everything will be based on computers. And accordingly, everything we learn here in programming classes will become an integral part of everyone's life.